I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take up 3 test questions based on operations with radical exponents. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. The questions are right before you. You can pause the video, answer these questions, and then look into my suggestions. Now, let us see how do we solve them one by one. Question number 1 here is 4 to the power of 1 over 5. Let me rewrite. 4 to the power of 1 over 5 times 4 to the power of 0.3. We need to evaluate this expression. Well, 4 to the power of 1 over 5, we can write both of them as powers of 2 also, but let's work with 4 for now. So 4 to the power of 1 over 5, same base, right? 0.3, it is better to write this as a rational exponent, so 3 over 10. Makes sense, right? So now, since the base is same, we can add the exponent. So we can add 1 over 5 and 3 over 10. So 10 being a common denominator, we get 2 plus 3, which is 5. So we get this as equal to 4 to the power of 5 over 10, which basically is 4 to the power of half, or square root of 4, right? And as you know, square root of 4 is 2. And therefore, this expression is equal to 2. So I hope these steps are absolutely clear. So when you're given rational exponents and when the base is same, just add the exponents, right? So as you know, if you have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, the rule simply is to add them up, right? Let's move on and take the solution of the next question. Now here we have 1 over x to the power of 2 over 3 times x to the power of minus 1 over 3. Then we have minus x to the power of 1 over 3 divided by minus 1 over x to the power of minus 1 over 3. Slightly complicated expression. Let's rewrite this also. Right. So we have 1 over x to the power of 2 over 3, x to the power of minus 1 over 3. So let me rewrite the second part of it as 1 over x, taking care of the negative exponents. So we get 1 over x to the power of 2 over 3, I'm writing it as such, times x. Since the power is minus 1, if I have a to the power of minus 1, it really becomes 1 over a, right? In this case, it will be 1 over x to the power of 1 over 3. Makes sense, right? In the denominator, we have minus x to the power of 1 over 3. Let's rewrite. And then we have division statement. So division means reciprocal of multiplication. But anyway, first let's take care of the negative sign right there. So that gives me minus x to the power of 1 over 3, right? Now, so whenever there's divide, and then we have a divided by a, for example, because these are minus x to the power of 1 over 3. We are dividing one by the other. So the denominator now will be 1, right? So what you get here is 1 over x to the power of 2 over 3 times 1 over x to the power of 1 over 3, correct? Since the denominator actually is 1, right? Now we can add these rational exponents. We have the same base 1 over x and write down the result. So it is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3, which is 3 over 3, right? And 3 over 3 is just 1, and therefore we have the answer as 1 over x. Are these steps clear to you? Feel free to send an email in case you want to learn directly from me. Let's continue and answer the last question. Looks complicated. Let me rewrite the question here. We have 14 in the numerator, the number 14, cube root of x, right, times square root of x to the power of 5. In the denominator, we have square root of 49 x to the power of 16. Okay. So 14, and here it is x to the power of 1 over 3, right? Times x to the power of 5 over 2. And square root of 49 is 7. And that of 16 is x to the power of half of 16, which is 8. Now, we have the powers of x which can be combined together. 14 divided by 7 will give us 2, right? So we get 2 x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 5 by 2 minus 8. So that gives me 2 times x to the power of common denominator being 6, right? So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5 times 3, 15, and 6 times 8 is 48. So we get 2 times x to the power of. So if I take away 17 from 48, what do I get? So 17 take away 48 means 31, right? 31 to the power of 6. So that's what you get. Now 31 to the power of 6 is 5, 1 over 6, right? So I could write this as 2 times x to the power of 5, right, times x to the power of 1 over 6. Does that make sense to you? Right. So we wrote 31 by 6. We wrote 31 by 6 as 5, 1 by 6, correct? So that is how you get your answer. So that becomes the answer for the last one. So I hope with this you have understood how do we take care of rational exponents. Variety here provides you with good practice on any test with rational exponents. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best. अम्मा उठ जा, भाग क्या, क्लास होने वाली है तेरी, ये कहेगी क्लास नहीं कराई।